Visible Infotech Private Limited is a technology-driven company specializing in advanced automation solutions with a strong focus on weighbridge system automation. With over 2 decades of industry experience, the company delivers comprehensive services including smart weighbridge automation, unmanned systems, ERP integration, bulk material loading automation, gate automation, mobile app development, and remote monitoring. Headquartered in New Delhi, Visible Infotech has successfully executed projects across India and internationally, with a growing footprint in countries such as Nepal, Uganda, and Nigeria. Their solutions are widely adopted in industries that demand accurate and efficient material tracking, such as logistics, infrastructure, and manufacturing. Visible Infotech stands out for its commitment to innovation and client-focused development. Their smart weighment systems are built to minimize human error, optimize operational efficiency, and provide real-time data insights that enable better decision-making. The company offers full life-cycle support, from hardware installation to software deployment and long-term maintenance, ensuring seamless integration with existing enterprise systems. Driven by a vision to grow as an innovation-led startup, Visible Infotech continues to invest in its expert team and technological capabilities. The company is strategically focused on expanding its offerings to serve a wider client base and increase its export potential, particularly in African and Middle Eastern markets. Visible Infotech's mission is to provide both standard and customized weighing automation and logistics solutions. As a pioneer in the field, the company designs and supplies hardware while also commissioning tailor-made automation processes that meet the unique needs of various industries. With a proven track record, deep domain expertise, and a future-focused approach, Visible Infotech is helping modernize industrial operations and redefine automation standards across borders. Established in the year 2013, based in New Delhi, Delhi, it is one of the fastest-growing companies in India. India 500 Most Promising IT Company 2025 for quality excellence goes to Visible Infotech Private Limited.